Do you know difference between 2D and 3D? 2D means two-dimensional shape, that is length and breadth. 3D means three-dimensional shape, length, breadth into height. 2D shapes have area, they do not occupy any volume. 3D shapes are surface area and a volume. Example of 2D shapes are square, rectangle, triangle. Example of 3D shapes are cube, cuboid, prism.
Good morning to all. My name is Kevin. I am going to say about cone. A cone is an example for a 3D shape. A cone is a shape formed by using a set of line segment or a line which connects a common points called vertex. Example vertical. Thank you.
My name is Disritika. I am studying in 7th standard. I am going to say about cube. A cube is a 3D shape, solid shape which has 6 faces. All the 6 faces are equal. All the faces or sides have equal dimension. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. All sides have the same length. All angles of a cube are right angle. Thank you.
My name is Hassan Manisha. I am going to say about cuboid. A cuboid is a 3D shape with 6 rectangle face, 8 vertical and 12 edges. In a cuboid, all angles are right angle. Opposite face of a cuboid are always equal in size. Example.
My name is Hassan Lakshmi. I am going to say about sphere. A sphere is a 3-dimensional shape. It is also called the second cousin of a circle. A sphere is round. It has no edges and it is a solid shape. A playing ball, balloon and even light bulbs are examples of a sphere shape. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is S. Mohan Sai. I am studying 7th standard. Today I am going to say about cylinder. A cylinder is a 3-dimensional solid shaped figure. It has two identical by a curved surface at a particular distance from the center of the height, which is the height of the cylinder. In our real life, we see a lot of examples for cylinder. Example, cylinder, water bottle.